Good morning. I am here at the Shelsley Walsh event organised by Hagerty. So I'm sure you guys know what Hagerty is and what they actually do. They do events across UK and US. I am here basically to see all these classic fast cars. So cars like Porsche, Ford GT40s, maybe Lamborghinis, and maybe a few Ferraris as well. That's going to go up the hill. And basically it's been very popular since then, and you see all these iconic cars turning up.
They just nailed it. Still look modern now. Still making it. Yeah, you can order a brand spanking new one of those. Well, I tell you what, he's having a good go. Just got the wrong gear though, unfortunately. So he's had to. I think he went for maybe third, got fifth. Got 5 gears, I think. But anyway, he has to knock him back down the gears and completely ruined it, right? But they are demonstrating surprising today. In the window. Well, I would probably take a bet. Might be up there with the quickest time of the day, because this M3 Touring has got in excess of 700 brake horsepower. It's eminently tuned, all-wheel drive, and it can take a dog with him as well. Love everything about it. It almost looks like an LCD. Brad spanking lit up from there. Love the colour. This is ruby red. Julia Quadrifoglio. When we talk about Zoom Daily, so I had one of these not long ago. This is a 75 plate. This is post what they call OPS car. So I had a 17 plate when it stopped. It's close to buying a car. That's great. I'm not buying away. They are delightful. They are yes, the Radical SR3, and again we spoke about this earlier, but if you think a fast car is fast around a track, go and have a passenger ride, don't fly around if you can. But somewhere like Anglesey, Donington, unbelievably radical. Yeah, again, this is another car that one day I'd like to leave the box of. I can't think if it's a supercharged one or not. But I think it is. A supercharged ZS is up there with one of the greatest driving cars of 2000. Jerry Marshall, Franklin, Barry Williams, Clive Cannon.
Here she is, guys. Team McLaren Arturo, that's how you pronounce it.
Well, what is it they call the fruit? Fruit Snoop. That's how I remember it. Fruit Snoop. Yeah. So I think that's sort of fairly mild thing. That one, not quite the same as going on with burden and the like, but nevertheless, going on that's something that's all right. And Dewey Heaven. Line. Back up. And you're on the roll. I hope so, because the brand deserves it, doesn't it? Yeah. McLaren is a legendary brand. I think they were too good for their own good, really, victims of their own success. The cars were so good, they almost had that danger of being boring.
So you can see this NSX has a carbon fiber spoiler, even the back end, that's all carbon fiber. And I mentioned about the gold, so you can see by the engine bay. Let's have a quick look. So yeah, this car has been heavily modified. I don't know what much power it's producing, but it is insanely loud, and it's definitely been straight piped because I can't see the exhaust from here. So yeah, it's a fascinating car. And it's a left-hand drive, so even more rare to see in the UK. But you can see this car is built for track. The Porsche and rally car Ford Fiesta. This is a Peugeot, and this was stupid loud. It was insanely loud. My ears were banging. So extremely rally. This is extreme Peugeot. I think it's a 206 maybe, or 3008. I'm not sure, but that's a rally car. So is this, and then you've got the Porsche, which is a classic rally car, just around the corner here. And if you move alongside, you see that Focus there? That was loud. I was next to it, my ears were popping, so I couldn't bear the noise. It was so loud. And you have the iconic Audi Quattro, Ford Focus, Delta, Integrale. That looks like a Scooby, but I could be wrong. Let's have a look on this side. No, that's Audi Quattro 80. That's a rally car. And you've got the Triumph TR7, which is a V8 engine. This looks fascinating. Look at the engine. Beautiful. V8, and that's going to go on the hill climb as well soon. And you have another Audi Quattro, Renault 5 GT Turbo. I mean, this is iconic classic cars worth maybe 100,000 plus. And that's built for track as well. That's track cars, or rally car, or track, you can call it. And then you've got the two minis here. So yeah, some very, very iconic, legendary cars. And if I scroll if I move to the right, you see another Toyota GR. Or no, I don't mean another one, but obviously spend some money on this intake because that's expensive. Eventually carbon fiber. And if we move to the left slightly, you'll see some mixture of cars parked up cooling down. I'm not sure what that car is. I'm guessing it's an old Bugatti or could be a Bentley. Again, I'm not sure what car that is, so if you guys want to comment, see what cars this is and the one next to it, that'll be greatly appreciated because I have no knowledge of these classic cars. They must be 1950s, maybe 1940s. And then the iconic GT40, which is here. Could be a replica, but whether it's a genuine replica is sort of GT40. And that too is going to go on the hill climb after lunch. So stunning, absolutely stunning. And we've got a Scooby here. These cars are modified in one way or another, whether it's engine modifications or exhaust.
I don't know if one's out, but if you're driving or passenger going up the hill today, please remember to wear a long.
And yeah, you've got the McLaren. What's this? Arturo, is how you pronounce it. Absolutely beautiful. He did span out earlier on because so much power in this McLaren, you can't keep it down. Yeah, the color is beautiful, carbon fiber. Hit the number plate for obvious reasons. But yeah, it just looks absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, I wasn't sure if it was good. Yeah, no, like that. 6 of them.